My name is Gerald Bellot, and I co-founded Theia.AI with my brother. We've been in business together for more than 10 years. We started in elementary school selling candy, selling jewelry in middle school, and doing consulting in high school. And around 2015, we started an enterprise software company for businesses with membership programs. We sent push notifications to members when they were near a business that had a discount or perk. Now, something interesting happened with one of our prospective clients. They determined that it was easier to phase out their program than it was to make improvements. You see, from the time they conceived their program, they didn't have any ability to measure its value. We've seen time after time data silos reducing organizations' ability to innovate internally. Today, less than 15% of organizations report that they use some type of AI to improve or innovate. Now, AI is not needed for day-to-day business. However, not having it does inhibit the way we think. I've experienced this pain point personally as a business planner in a Fortune 100 company. So much time is spent understanding what's happened in the past that there isn't a rounded conversation on how the things we're doing today impact the next fiscal year. Creating and deploying machine learning algorithms depends on this relationship. A data engineer creates architecture to pull data from a server. A data scientist spends between 60 and 90% of their time cleaning that data. And a business analyst determines the purpose and feedback loops to improve the process. Now, not having any piece of this puzzle reduces your ability to identify problems and turn them into opportunities. Theia.AI makes AI tangible and allows decision makers to make data-focused decisions quickly. Our no-code platform allows DoD and commercial organizations to quickly integrate, scale, and take advantage of their insights. Our Centaur data engine puts you in control of your models. Leveraging open source architecture, we are able to handle all of the client's data, whether it's structured in servers or unstructured information, such as videos and voice notes. This would allow a gardener, for example, to take a picture and tell which fruit are ripe and when they should be picked. At Theia.AI, when we think about AI, we think about our relationship with outliers, anomalies, and trends. We make proactive data conversations instinctive and as easy as data click complete. Now, powerful AI models help us understand and predict our data. So we're using our first model to help autonomous vehicle and surveillance customers make decisions when they can't see. Now imagine a $20 laser from Amazon can be used to blind your home security camera, or that a laser-enabled LiDAR on top of an autonomous vehicle can disrupt a video from a car that's driving the opposite direction. Now, like our eyes, disruptive energy such as lasers, whether it's visible or non-visible, also disrupts our video. Now, Theia is the goddess of sight and light, and we're ensuring that our eyes of our systems, our cameras, are also enabled to make proactive decisions. We partnered with the National Security Innovation Network and Navy researchers to explore some use cases around cameras vulnerabilities. There are risks, but with our models, we will mitigate them. We're also partnering with an OEM manufacturer of Luminaire's Hydra sensor and a doctorate research team at the University of Colorado to create new models. Today, with our MVP, we're able to limit false positives, increase data cleaning, and increase classification. We're using licensing through the autonomous vehicle software and surveillance software market, where we're targeting a 5% share. And through development of more of our AI platform as a service and data management services, we see plenty of room for share in our total addressable market. What makes us different is that we are born for the DoD and commercial market. Additionally, we are not creating another data science tool. We are problem solvers creating a tool for more problem solvers. Our team has a track record of driving proactive insights, whether it's in Fortune 100 companies or as advisors for smart cities, and even co-founders of computer vision companies. Theia.AI was founded a little less than 12 months ago in the Defense Innovation Accelerator, where we were one of 12 teams to advance to phase 2 out of 23 teams. Now, we have had a great time with the Next Cube team and growing into the commercial market, and will continue to participate in more programs as we go to our market share. Our ask is for a $750,000 safe. This is our pre-seed funding. And we're also looking for introductions to thought leaders and advisors in the AI and ML space. We do have our live demo here, and we would love to talk to you some more about what we're doing at Theia.AI. Thank you.